In an exclusive interview to Times Now, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley argued that his government's stance on black money is far different from the UPA's. Now, sources have told Times Now that the government is set to file the first affidavit in the Supreme Court with the names of 3 account holders, and one of them has responded to Times Now political affairs editor Navika Kumar.
You're not violating the treaty when you say that it could be a person in Dr. Manmohan Singh's Council of Ministers?
Well, I know who you are hinting at, but you please wait for the appropriate time.
But you're not denying that it could be somebody there?
Well, I am neither confirming nor denying, I'm only smiling.
That was the Finance Minister, an exclusive interview to Times Now, suggesting that there were congressmen on the black money list.
If we are able to prove charges against that individual concerned or those individual...
But an influential family of the Congress party?
You see, if we are able to prove charges against any person, politician or otherwise, the names will be told to the court and they'll become public.
But you've already said that the Congress party is involved. Are there other political parties whose names you would have...
Well, I don't want to get into specific details at the moment because I don't want to be accused of violating the treaty.
You're not violating the treaty when you say that it could be a person in Dr. Manmohan Singh's Council of Ministers?
Well, I know who you are hinting at, but you please wait for the appropriate time.
But you're not denying that it could be somebody there?
Well, I am neither confirming nor denying, I'm only smiling.
And while the revelation of names of black money account holders has been on the cards for a while, your channel has learned that the government will file an affidavit in the Supreme Court today and reveal 3 names who have unaccounted wealth stashed in foreign banks.
Deadline that the tax department needs to follow. But what we are being told that out of these 50 names, 3 names coming up tomorrow itself, and over the next 3 or 4 weeks, we could see a total of about 50 to 51 names which could come up.
But top sources have confirmed to Times Now that there will not be any political name on the list.
What we are being told is in the list of 50 will be the name of politicians and Congress politicians as we've been indicated before. But the first tranche of names that goes in to the Supreme Court tomorrow, the 3 names, of course, there are no politicians in this.
The fact that the government will not name any politicians in its list today will come as a breather for Congress.
We have been in touch with 3 of these individuals. In fact, 2 have gotten back to us and we are in the process of getting their reactions. But we are awaiting because many people have said that they have the permissions to open legitimate overseas accounts, and that's the defense most people really give. So we're waiting for the government to file this affidavit in court so as to be absolutely sure that these are names against whom investigations are pending and that the government, the tax department, has found prima facie evidence.
Crores of unaccounted wealth stashed in tax havens abroad. The government's move to reveal the names will be the first step in blowing the lid off the black money epidemic that plagues India. Bureau Report, Times Now.